404 errors are a natural and unavoidable byproduct of running a blog. Whether it's because you've removed content or changed the URL, or perhaps just someone linking to you with the wrong address, usually a simple case of a typo. The end result is wasted clicks, lost visitors, and profits that you miss out on. Now here's how you can change that forever in just 3 steps with WP Traffic Guard. Now this is what a default 404 error page tends to look like in WordPress. Pretty boring and useless, right? And here's an example of what it looks like with WP Traffic Guard, a selection of self-optimizing relevant offers for those lost visitors to click on. Now let me show you how easy it is to do the same for your blog. Step 1 is to install and activate the WP Traffic Guard plugin, which should take less than a minute, and I've already done on this blog. Step 2 is to import the default banner pack from the zip file included with WP Traffic Guard, which we do from the Add Banners page here, using the option at the top to import a banner pack. Simply click on the Choose File button, browse to where the zip file is on your local hard disk, choose it, click on Open, then click on Import Banner Pack and let it run. Now I'm going to pause the video as this can take a few minutes to complete depending on your internet speed and web host speed, because it is quite a big file with a lot of images. For me it actually took about 15 to 20 seconds. Now once it's completed you'll see all the different ads and banners listed on this page. And step 3 is to click on Edit here on the right and replace the ad URL with your own affiliate link for each offer. Now in the banner pack zip file there is a text file with all the affiliate request links and information, so you can grab your affiliate links for all of these different offers. And we actually include a code you can use to make sure that you get approved to promote these offers. Now if we scroll down you can see the 17 different banners covering a dozen different proven to convert high quality offers. You also have the option to add your own banners in. Just click on the Add New Ad shortcode button at the bottom here, and you simply give the new ad a name, upload the banner, and pop in the URL that you want to link to. It's that simple. You now have a monetized, self-optimizing 404 error page that can actually generate commissions for you. Let's have a look at it in action. So we're back on the default 404 error page we saw earlier, and I'm simply going to hit Ctrl F5 to refresh the page. And now you have a selection of banner ads appearing to give visitors who end up on the 404 error page something to click on, something that's actually going to get you an opt-in or sale, putting more profits in your pocket, and all from traffic that was previously just lost or wasted. Now there are a bunch more things you can do with WP Traffic Guard, including change the title, format and template of the 404 error page with different ad layouts, as well as have the plugin auto-optimize the ads to prioritize the best performing ads over time, so you can swap out the underperforming ones with new ones to split test for the best possible results. And you get full performance reporting on the ads themselves, as well as the 404 errors that get traffic, so ultimately you can fix those. And WP Traffic Guard makes it a breeze to also use any of your new banners in your posts and pages as well, and includes full reporting on how well they perform as well. At the end of the day, most bloggers are either unaware of their 404 error page traffic or simply ignore it because they don't have any way to do something better with it. So they end up with wasted clicks, unhappy visitors and lost profits. That doesn't have to be you. By now you can see how WP Traffic Guard fixes this for you in just 3 simple steps. So grab your copy today and plug your 404 traffic hole with high quality, proven to convert monetized offers to put more money in your pocket now.